Hello everyone, it's your girl Antoinette. Welcome to my channel. Guys, on this channel I talk a lot about leveling up, manifestation, living your best life, doing good in life regardless of your current situation, credit history, business knowledge. It does not matter. You can literally become a millionaire, okay? So guys, today we're going to talk about a very easy way to make $10,000 or $20,000 per month starting this summer. First of all, I want you guys to know this. It is not hard to make money. Society makes us think that it's hard by paying us, I should say, a very low amount hourly to work. In addition to that, we've been preconditioned to think that we can only earn money based off of hours and not based off of our value. That is where a lot of people go wrong, okay? What you should charge for is your value, which means that it's actually offensive for your boss to tell you you're worth 20 bucks an hour because no, first of all, I'm God's creation. How are you gonna tell me I'm worth $20? I'm worth so much more. It's really up to you to really have that conversation with yourself, but I'm telling you right now in this video that you are worth more than what your boss is paying you, and you're probably worth more than what you're even charging your clients. Bottom line, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go from earning pretty much, from me, I'll tell you how I went from earning pretty much nothing to earning six figures and more consistently, okay? So guys, the very first thing is get a mentor. I am so sorry. I cannot have you guys Googling free advice. I cannot have you guys looking up how to do things. Like, yes, this video is free. This is a free resource to give you that path that you have to take, right? But you have to invest in yourself. You need a mentor. You need somebody that did exactly what you're trying to do so that you can copy them. Why? Because it becomes a lot less expensive. You avoid making a lot of mistakes. And it's what I did. I found somebody that was in my position before, got to success, and I was mentored by them. You need a mentor. It doesn't have to be me. It could be anybody. I'm going to put information down below as to how you can book a free one-on-one mentorship call with me to see if we'd be a good fit. But regardless of who it is, guys, you need somebody that's going to help you get to that next level. Somebody who can teach you their experience and tell you exactly what you should avoid so you can get results instantly. You save a lot of time and you save a lot of money when you have a mentor, okay? Second thing, guys, you gotta figure out what you are good at. You have to really sit down and write down a few of your strengths and your weaknesses and be honest with yourself, okay? Are you good at speaking? Are you good at connecting with people? Are you good with customer service? Do you have sales skills? We're going to figure that out, okay? We're going to figure out what your strengths are and what your weaknesses are. That way, we can take something, we can package it and sell it. Okay, and that goes on to number 3. You need to package and sell something that is generating income for you solely online. Why? Because things like COVID and natural disasters and a lot of other things really get in the way of sales if you don't have online solutions. So you got to figure out how to make money online. Okay, you need to, if you have a skill, what could you teach people that could take them to the next level that they can pay you for? Again, all generating revenue online. And if you do not have a skill, if there's nothing that you could say you are an expert in or you are knowledgeable with, this is where you need a mentor, because a mentor will give you something that you can package and you could sell on autopilot that you may not even be an expert in. Okay, there are so many ways and so many different avenues that you can take. You can be a middleman. You can find someone else to do the work, but you get the sales, right? You can do white label ebooks. You can join a company that's already selling something and be an advocate for them to earn residual income. Okay, and that even goes into my next point: network marketing, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, right? Selling ebooks, courses. These are all great ways to earn a lot of revenue this summer. People are literally sitting at home looking for ways to make more money. Their bosses are not paying them enough. So how can you now be this person to spread the word? And again, you do not need to be an expert in any field to sell a skill about it. And I will teach you this exact blueprint once you book that one-on-one call with me. Or you can message me, you can DM me, you can do whatever. But guys, I'm telling you, this summer is the summer that anybody that connects with me is going to become a six-figure earner. I am so determined to show you guys how easy it is to make money. and we'll just start off by this summer because that's just the closest season. That's the season that it is right now. Okay, that's why I keep saying summer, but I'm telling you guys, you do not need a degree. You don't have to be a scholar. You really don't have to have a lot of knowledge in a specific field to earn income. There are so many ways to do it, and I really want to discuss with you guys individually so that we can see how our goals can align and how we can do some really big things. Okay, so in addition to that, guys, right, finding a skill, finding a mentor, selling on autopilot, you gotta get used to speaking positive things to yourself. You have to speak affirmations. Law of attraction is extremely important. If you're looking to make 10, 20, 30K a month this summer, I want you to start saying it to yourself. I make $10,000 a month. I generated $10,000 a month in sales, right? These are things you have to speak to yourself every single day. So amongst following mentorship and creating courses or skills that people can benefit from, you have to talk to yourself in ways that you believe so that the universe can hear you. God can hear you. If you are religious, pray, right? It literally goes hand in hand with being successful. It's self-belief, and it's what you feed yourself every single day. Okay? So to start earning a lot of money monthly, I want you to let go of that hourly mindset. You don't have to work 40 hours a week. You don't have to get paid 20 bucks an hour, 30 bucks an hour, 40 bucks an hour. You don't have to. You just gotta find something that will benefit people, and they will pay you for that. And you can even have it running on autopilot. Collect sales in your sleep. Again, guys, for more information on that, book that call with me down below. I really want to start teaching you guys how to flip your money, how to invest your money, how to start a business, all about business and personal credit. All of that is coming on this channel, but let's talk one-on-one to really break down your goals and see where you are at. Guys, thank you so much once again for your support. I'm looking forward to connecting with you all, and I hope you have an amazing day. Peace.
Are you just sitting back and letting this thing happen? Or have you decided that now is the time that I will apply pressure? I'm going to apply pressure to this gift. I'm going to apply pressure to this marriage. It's time for you to become everything that God has called you to be. When God starts applying pressure, we ought to start applying pressure too. Everything connected to me got to go to the next level. I apply pressure. That's what I do.